They're not even stopping to look at the things. They're trying to rush now just to say that they got through it all. Oh yeah. Put that back in there. What we got?
Okay, these things with little bed things.
Oh, right there. Right?
There he is in the corner.
And then there's that one, and then there's one right here. Pretty face. Oh, we got activity down here. Oh, it's a cute little thing. Yep. It's like, play with me. Play with me.
Where are they now?
Not worried about it. Oh, what we got over here? We'll find them eventually.
Come here. You say more? More?
Yeah. We'll toss.
I don't know if you can see through the rails.
A toss monkey. And that looks like that's an old man face right there. He's looking down at the bird eating the food like, dude, that's our shit. Go get your own. Look at it, like he's watching the bird. Like, what are you doing down there? Get off my food, yo. I was saving that for later. Looks like we got, what, one more spot right here. And I think that's it. Yeah, they're over there. Yeah. Yeah, and they're rushing. Crowned.
I like it. This is assistant of convenience.
And what we got over here?
alas.
I just
Up in there in the corner. Oi. And that one is closed. Oh, we got a little bitty. What we got over here? Tamarins. Oh, tamarins are so cute. Look at it. Oi. I could just take that home.
That's small.
Didn't we have dinner? No, he just went off with them then, didn't he?
Yeah.
and Anna. And Kenay.
There's one more right here, and then I think that's actually it.
Yeah.
Just look at that face.
Better view. Looks like a.
Oh no, that's a Goldie's monkey. That's not a tamarin. So where's the?
I think it might be the only one in
Huh?
here. Yeah. Well, there's the. One looks like a
Right. I was just noticing that black and gold howler monkey.
howler
It's probably laying in the bed.
or all the way. Oh.
One of the beds, probably. All right.
No, one's right there, Daddy.
Where?
You see its tail?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. See it. All right. We can go out right here and still get to them. Nope, that's it. These poor people all dying. They've had it. They're kaput. You can't handle it.
Okay, all the kids there in front of the water.
Let me throw this map away. Oh, more pictures.
I think we got it all, didn't we?
Oh, yeah, I'm not a kid.
We sure?
Yeah.
Double check. It's actually kind of hard to tell since somebody ripped off the bottom. Oh, wait. Oh, we didn't go to the meerkats. Baby, we hadn't hit that down there yet.
No, we're not.
That's the meerkat.
Yeah, come on. It's that.
It's on the way out. Because that's right there. Because here's the reptile thing, and it's that spot right over there. But that's it. Oop, wrong paper.
Tallest in the back, smallest in front.
The production of trying to get a photo.
Dayami. Junior in the front.
Dude, y'all gotta at least try to smile. Y'all survive.
The one who say, oh, we don't go to the nothing. Okay, one. And I swear,
Smile.
Christian, if you don't look at me, I'm gonna take this
Hey,
over
hey,
and over until you
Hey,
look.
stop with the yelling. You make it sound like vicious people.
One,
Come on, smile. All of you, smile.
3, smile. Good. Perfect. You see how simple it is? Can we do the tree first?
Oh, we gotta go over to this little spot right over there.
Child, no.
Child, yeah, it's on the way out.
Child,
It's on the way out. Let's go. Come on, let's go.
What? Where are we going?
It's over here on the way out.
I don't want to hear you complaining that, well, we don't get to do nothing.
You don't take them out, they complain that you don't take them out. You take them out, they complain because you took them out. The joys of having children. All right. So we're walking over here, headed over to the meerkats. And then the exit out of the main zoo.
Hey, slow down, slow down.
Yes.
Probably all inside sleeping.
Oh, aquí está, mira.
There's one way over there. Go inside and look from the inside.
There's one right there in the side, Dad.
And you can go inside too. These folks can't keep up with this old man. I am the one who is older. I am the one who has barely survived a car crash. But yet, I'm the one still going. Fishies. Stingray. Better than the turtle. They all should have come in here. It's cool in here. Let's play I Spy. You see it before I spot it. Looky. Aww. Aww. A little otter sleeping. I want to adopt it, but I don't think they'll let me adopt it. Yeah, it was over here in the log, baby. It's inside of that log right there. So, supposedly having here a two-toed sloth, crowned pigeon, star tortoise. That was an otter in there.
Sloth, Anna. Where? In the cage.
Sleeping in the kennel right there.
Aww. I'm going back in the hole. No, Mom says to eat it, huh?
And then probably the and then there's the pigeon that it was talking about right there. Look at that, isn't that pretty?
Yeah.
Not like any normal pigeon you see around here.
Wow.
Wow, now that's a big fish. It's big. It's definitely bigger than you.
Here, you let me show them?
Hold on.
Jeez.
Well, I had it wrapped on me. Yeah, now you can get up in there.
Guys, there's big fish. Oh, right there.
Mira, hay una gran botella atrás.
Whoa.
Look, you can crawl through the tunnel.
Where's Junior?
He went back outside. Fun.
That's cool.